West Virginia's career and technical education programs empower students to explore potential careers in various hands-on technical training programs. Students can begin exploring CTE classes as early as middle school, and once in high school, they can choose from one of our 65 unique CTE programs that span across 16 exciting career clusters. These diverse career clusters and programs allow students to become college and career ready in a wide range of fields and industries. Our CTE programs not only teach students real-world knowledge and skills, but through our simulated workplace model, students can also earn industry-recognized credentials and meaningful work-based learning experiences. The future of West Virginia's workforce is being trained today in CTE centers throughout the state, and for our young West Virginians, the future looks bright. For more information, visit our website at CareerTechWV.com.